I think this is a very good platform for the youngsters. I think I should appreciate Vedanta group to organizing these kind of matches. The more the youngsters play, the better they get, and they'll get more time to play, and the coaches get more time to work on them. I think this is a very good platform, and keep this continuing. Vedanta in different areas, they are trying to do this. And they also have an academy in Rajasthan. I think they are doing really great work for the youth.
Both the teams, Bengaluru FC and Academy, IFF Academy, you all are the future stars of India. This is the beginning for you all. I was a kid like you a long time ago, and I never realized on a fine day when I was in the school, standing like you all and chief guest talking, never realized that one day I will be standing here and talking to you all, getting my awards. India is depending on you. You all are the bright stars. Stay focused with a positive attitude, with that never die spirit. I can do it, I have to do it. And you all will go to a higher status in your lives.
We started with 4 teams back in 2019. Only 4 academies were participating, and this is the 4th edition, and we have seen 8 teams participating, 4 outstation teams and 4 Goan teams. Hard luck for AIFF FIFA Talent Academy, and congratulations to BFC for winning this tournament. It was great to see the talent on show, and I wish a lot more kids, parents would have turned up to watch this final and see what is on offer and where do we stand and how we can improve as Goan footballers, and also the talent for the national team.